Hello and welcome to Tablescape Tuesday. This is hosted every Tuesday by Anna from the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. And it is free to join, so if you would like to participate, just hashtag Tablescape Tuesday 25. I started with this beautiful embroidered table runner that I ordered from Amazon. I love the fall colors. And the table setting includes this charger that I thrifted. I love the terracotta color. So I have 4 of those. I'm going to be setting the table for 4. And here is the dinner plate that I've had for a long time. It was a gift and it is a Lenox plate. And then the salad or dessert plate is this really pretty pumpkin and gourd plate that I ordered from Amazon. And then the Lenox matching cup and saucer. Now, each of the salad plates with the pumpkins are slightly different. So I'm going to show you all 4 of those. So here's a close-up of the other 2. I just think they're beautiful. Love the colors. Okay, now as far as the centerpiece, I have this cake stand that I want to place in the center with some autumn leaves on top of it. Then next I have this glass pumpkin with a flickering candle inside it. And I have 2 of those. I have a yellow one and an orange one. And I'll place those on each side of the cake plate. And I did purchase those both at the Dollar General quite a few years ago. And the flickering candles were from Amazon. And next I have this gold candle holder with a candle inside. And I'm going to be placing that on top of the cake stand with some more autumn leaves around it. The golden candle holder was a gift. Then next I have 2 more candles. I like the farmhouse black candle holders with 2 orange candles in it. You can't have too many candles or firelight on your table. It gives it such a romantic look. As I was saying, more candles. Now this is a taller candle holder with a spiral orange candle this time. The candle holders came from the Dollar General and the candles came from Amazon. And next we have the cream color napkins with the wicker napkin ring and a couple of glass wine glasses and water glasses. Now these have a little bit of a green tint to them. And again, those were from the Dollar General. And finally, I have these cute little bear pilgrims. I thought with Thanksgiving coming up, I would start bringing out my decorations for Thanksgiving. Those I've had for a long time. And the turkeys. So I'm going to be placing these on top of the cake stand with the turkey in front of the candle holder. Okay, so here is the reveal with all the candles lit. I want to thank you all for watching, and be sure to check out the playlist and leave everyone a comment and a like. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I encourage you to do so. I would appreciate it so much. So until next Tablescape Tuesday, have a nice day. See you next time. Bye-bye for now.